Hello everyone, I'm David Lewis and this is your sales tip of the week. Over the past 35 plus years, I have seen many things that we do to sell cars that in my opinion are destructive and divisive to our business and to customer relationships. One of the common strategies that I totally disagree with is the use of trial closes. Trial closes are designed to pressure the customer in a manner that is rude and disrespectful. It makes the customer more defensive when our job should be to lower their defensive posture. Trial closes back people into a corner. And when this happens, they tend to lie to us, which in return makes us, the salesperson, more defensive. Now we have both sides of the equation defensive. Clearly not a conducive environment to selling a car. Just consider the trial close of, if we can come together in terms and numbers, will you buy the car today? Really? Now how defensive does a salesperson get when the customer says, no, not today? The answer is extremely. Then the salesperson starts an inquiry into why the customer will not decide today. Is it the car? Is it me? Etc. And now we're doing things that are backing the customers even further into a corner. As a salesperson, don't you think that after being with the customer for the past 2 hours, you know if the customer likes the car or not? Of course you do. So why ask that question? Why take the risks? Finish your presentation of the car. Tell the customer you have something very proud of at the dealership that you'd like to show them, and start walking towards your service department for your service walk. Then when you're done, present the numbers and ask for the sale. And stop complicating the process and making your customer more defensive than they need to be. Look, give this a try. I think you'll like it. Good luck, everyone, and please be safe.
Try DLA Online and DLA Live to discover why the top automotive professionals already have. For more information, visit our website at www.davidlewis.com or call us at 321-435-6000.